A whole new pad experience. Xiaomi Pad 7 series arrives. Alright guys, Xiaomi just dropped some serious heat at MWC 2025 with the brand new Pad 7 series. We're talking two impressive tablets here. The Xiaomi Pad 7 and the Pad 7 Pro. Both are bringing some major upgrades. Buckle up because we're diving deep into everything these tablets offer. First up, let's talk design. Xiaomi kept things sleek and modern, with a slim profile and minimal bezels. These tablets feel incredibly premium in hand. The build quality is top-notch as expected from Xiaomi, but it's what's inside that really counts. Next level display and performance, unleashing the power. Xiaomi knows a thing or two about displays, and the Pad 7 series takes it to the next level. Both tablets boast a stunning 11.2-inch 3.2K display. That's right, 3.2K resolution for incredible sharpness and clarity. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows, gaming, or just browsing the web, this display is a visual treat. But wait, there's more. This display also has a buttery smooth 144 Hz refresh rate. Scrolling is insanely smooth and animations are incredibly fluid. Trust me, once you experience 144 Hz, there's no going back. Under the hood, Xiaomi packed some serious power into these tablets. The Pad 7 Pro rocks the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 processor, the latest and greatest from Qualcomm. This thing absolutely flies through everything you throw at it. For the Pad 7, Xiaomi opted for the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3, which still delivers exceptional performance. Both tablets handle demanding apps and games without breaking a sweat. The ultimate productivity duo Pad 7 versus Pad 7 Pro. Now let's talk software. The Xiaomi Pad 7 series runs on HyperOS 2, Xiaomi's latest Android skin. HyperOS 2 is all about AI-powered features and seamless multitasking. One of the coolest features is the new AI assistant, which can help you with everything from scheduling appointments to translating languages. When it comes to productivity, Xiaomi has you covered with some excellent accessories. The Focus Pen provides a natural writing and drawing experience. It's perfect for taking notes, sketching, or even just navigating the interface. And for those who want to transform their Pad 7 into a laptop replacement, the Focus Keyboard is a must-have. It's surprisingly comfortable to type on, and it magnetically attaches to the tablet for easy portability. So, what's the difference between the Pad 7 and the Pad 7 Pro? Well, the Pro model packs a slightly larger battery for extended use. It also boasts faster charging speeds, getting you back up and running in no time. Pricing and availability. It's time to elevate your digital life. Now for the important part, pricing. The Xiaomi Pad 7 starts at an incredibly competitive price point, making it an amazing value for everything it offers. The Pad 7 Pro, with its top-of-the-line specs, comes in at a slightly higher price point, but it's still incredibly competitive compared to other flagship tablets on the market. Overall, the Xiaomi Pad 7 series is a home run. With its stunning display, powerful performance, and AI-powered software, these tablets are perfect for anyone who wants to do more on the go. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who wants the best of the best, the Xiaomi Pad 7 series has something for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Head over to Xiaomi's website to learn more and grab yours today. You won't regret it. Peace out.